Hello and welcome to this in-depth presentation on the future of robotics with a particular focus on human-robot collaboration or HRC. As we step into a world increasingly shaped by intelligent machines, the relationship between humans and robots is becoming more dynamic, integrated, and essential than ever. In the next few slides, we will explore how these partnerships are evolving, where they are being applied, and what opportunities and challenges lie ahead. So, what exactly is human robot collaboration? HRC refers to a shared workspace and cooperative interaction between humans and robots. Unlike traditional industrial robots that are isolated behind safety barriers, collaborative robots or cobots work directly alongside people. They are equipped with sensors, adaptive algorithms, and even voice interfaces to understand, predict, and respond to humans' action in real time. The goal is not just to have machines to do tasks for us, but to engage in meaningful interactive teamwork. Why does this matter? The importance of human robot collaboration can't be overstated. As automation and AI continue to rise, HRC offers a way to harmonize machine efficiency with human flexibility and judgment. It increases productivity, improves safety in high risk environments, and enables innovation that neither humans nor machines could achieve alone. Rather than replacing humans, robots in collaborative settings are seen as partners working to enhance our capabilities, not override them. The success of HRC relies on a suite of advanced technologies. Collaborative robots are designed to safely operate around people, often lightweight and equipped with force sensors that prevent accidental harm. Artificial intelligence and machine learning enable these systems to adapt over time, learning from human behavior. Computer vision allows them to see and interpret their surroundings, and natural language processing means we can speak to them as we would another person, allowing for intuitive, hands-free interaction. Manufacturing is one of the most prominent sectors benefiting from HRC. Traditionally, robots were caged off to perform high-speed, repetitive tasks. Today, cobots are being integrated directly into production lines. For example, in automotive assembly, robots may lift and position heavy parts while human workers handle wiring and inspection. This collaboration speeds up production, reduces fatigue-related errors, and enables real-time quality control. It's a perfect example of how precision and judgment can work hand in hand. In healthcare, robotics have moved beyond labs and into operating rooms and homes. Robots assist in performing minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision than human hands can offer. The Da Vinci surgical system is a well known case, but beyond surgery, robots are being used for rehabilitation, helping patients regain mobility, and even in elder care, offering companionship, reminding patients to take medication, and alerting nurses when help is needed. It's a truly life enhancing collaboration. In logistics and warehousing, HRC helps business operate faster and more efficiently than ever before. Robots like Amazon's Kiva systems retrieve products from storage shelves and bring them to human packagers. This minimizes working time and manual labor while allowing employees to focus on decision making, labeling, and customer specific customizations. Here, the robot does not replace the worker, it supports them, reducing physical strain and boosting throughput. Human robot collaboration is also transforming non industrial sectors. In agriculture, robots can monitor plant health using sensors, sow seeds with millimeter precision, or harvest delicate fruits without pricing. In education, social robots are used to support learning for children, especially those with autism. And in the service industry, robots assist travelers at airports, guide customers in hotels, or even provide multilingual support. These applications show how widespread and socially embedded robotics is becoming. Let's look at the key benefits of HRC. First, productivity. Robots can work longer hours with fatigue, while humans bring judgment and creativity. Second, safety. Robots can take on hazardous or physically demanding roles. Third, consistency. Robots maintain high standards and humans adapt where needed. And finally, flexibility. In shared tasks, each party can focus on their strengths, resulting in a more responsive and resilient system. Together, humans and robots create a scenery that exceeds what either could be done alone. Despite the potential, HRC isn't without its challenges. Safety is paramount. robots must not only detect human presence but also anticipate behavior to avoid accidents. Trust is another issue, both in terms of humans trusting robots and vice versa. There are also concerns about job loss and economic inequality. Legal and ethical dilemmas arise, especially when decisions made by autonomous systems have real world consequences. And finally, there's social acceptance. Not everyone is comfortable working with a machine. Addressing these concerns is vital to responsive integration. The relationship between humans and robots is evolving rapidly. No longer limited to mere tools, robots are becoming teammates and even collaborators. They are learning to adapt to human working styles, to ask for clarification, and to adjust when things go wrong. And equally, humans are learning to work alongside these systems, interpreting their signals, giving commands, and cooperating more naturally. This two-way learning makes collaboration more efficient and also more human. Looking forward, we envision workplaces that are inherently collaborated by design. Human and robot teams will not just coexist but complement each other. Robots might serve as cognitive assistants, offering data-based suggestions, monitoring tasks, or flagging anomalies. Meanwhile, humans will shift toward higher value tasks like strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and emotional intelligence. Lifelong learning and digital upskilling will be essential for humans to thrive in this co-evolving environment. The future of HRC isn't limited to workplaces. In our personal lives, we are already seeing robots in smart homes, vacuuming, assisting the elderly, and even providing companionship. These machines will continue to evolve, becoming more attuned to human emotions and capable of forming social bonds. For example, therapeutic robots are used with children or dementia patients to stimulate interaction and memory. This intimate day-to-day collaboration highlights the emotional and human-centric potential of robotics. As robots become a more integral part of society, ethical and cultural considerations must take center stage. Robots must respect privacy, avoid bias, and operate transparently. Designers must consider diverse cultures and contexts to ensure acceptance and trust. Equally important, policymakers, educators, and technologists must collaborate to create guidelines that protect both workers and users, ensuring robotic benefits everyone, not just a few. Ultimately, the future of robotics is not about replacing humans, it's about amplifying our potential. Human robot collaboration represents a shift toward intelligent partnerships that unlock new capabilities. By focusing on ethical, inclusive, and human centered design, we can build a future where technology enhances dignity, not diminishes it. Robots are not just our tools, they are our partners, and together we can shape a better, more collaborative world. Thank you for your time and attention. Human robot collaboration is not just a technical evolution, it's a cultural and philosophical one. Let's now open the floor to questions or thoughts on how we can best harness this remarkable frontier toward